In this video, I'm going to talk about this awesome tool I've come across, which is basically a cheat code of cheat codes. And this tool is nothing but Airpm. So this is basically an extension which you can add to your Chrome or Firefox browser, and then you can use it with your Chatgpt. This extension helps you in getting the maximum out of Chatgpt and improving your productivity to 100x. So let's look at how my Chatgpt looks after integrating it with this Airpm. So this is how my Chatgpt looks now. Here I can play around with all these options. So this option helps me in sorting out everything by views or oaths. Here it helps me choose the activity that I want to do with Chatgpt. Here it gives me a group of topics where it is related to software engineering. It can be related to SEO. It can be related to software as a service. It can be anything possible. Here I've given this keyword called one click. So it gives us everything that we can do in one click. You can see it can help us create in writing a whole book. It can help us in creating a course of one click. It can help us find resources for something that we're planning to learn. This can help you in so many other ways. So let's try something out. Let's type YouTube instead. So here it's going to give you all the possible shortcuts that you can use to run your YouTube channel. And this is clearly a cheat code of cheat code. So here let's try writing a YouTube script for my next video. So my next video is going to be about how to make money using AI. So this is going to give me everything that I need for a script, and you can make tweaks here and there. Here you can choose the language that you're going to talk in or the language that you want the output to be in. Here you can choose a tone of the script that this AI is going to give you. It can be emotional, it can be default. If you want something more, you should upgrade that, you should pay for it, and you can choose a writing style too. So let's see what ChatGPT is going to offer for my next video, that is how to make money using AI. Let's click enter. Good, it gave us an introduction about what our channel is and how we are using artificial intelligence to make money, and it gave us a part 1 of this. Is actually pretty cool. And that's pretty much it about this video. If you guys want to play around with it, you can try playing around with this Airpm extension in your Chatgpt. And if you guys have any doubts in this installation process, make sure you drop a comment. I'm happy to help. See you in the next video then. Bye bye.